Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first ever video. This is my first video that I'll be giving to you guys out there. So today I'll be talking about how to use tradingView. So personally, I've been using tradingView since I started trading Forex. So that's 4 years ago. I started using tradingView. I use tradingView a lot. I use it for my analysis. So I use tradingView for practically everything in terms of analysis, but I do not use tradingView to place my trades. I use my MetaTrader 4 on my phone and on my laptop. So I do my analysis on tradingView and place my trades on the MT4 platform on my laptop and on my phone as well. So today I'll just briefly talk about, not to waste too much time, so briefly talk about how to use tradingView. So first of all, you go to tradingview.com. You're going to go over to the join for free. You're just going to go over here, join for free. But personally, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So right, there we go. I have an account, so I'm logged in already. Sorry about that. Just gonna keep it here. All right. So this is what you're going to see once you log in. So you're gonna see a lot of posts, people posting, people dropping analysis, and the rest of them. So personally, I do not pay attention to any of this analysis. I do not pay attention to any of them. Because when you're trading, when you make your analysis, you do not want any confusion whatsoever. You do not want to pay attention to others because they can confuse you. So basically what I have to do is trust your analysis. So there we go. Then you're gonna go over here, you're gonna go to charts. On this menu bar, you're gonna click on chart. Sorry for the delay. That's right, there we have it. Sorry for the delay, my internet connection is quite slow. So here we have it. Definitely when you open an account, you not have this dark theme. So I was the one that made the dark theme to my style. So what you're gonna do is, if you want to change the theme, what you have to do is right click on the chart itself, go to color theme. You can change it from dark to light. So let me change it to light. Let's see. All right, so this is what you're gonna, this is how it is going to go. This is how it's I can't speak. So this is how it's going to be initially when you create an account. So I made an analysis on euro pound, expecting some buy movement with broken structure, blah blah. I'm going to, in later videos that I'll be posting, I'm going to talk about price action and the rest of them. So this is just the first video I'm just putting out there. So we're just going to clean the charts. All right, now if you want to get rid of this, you're going to click here and it's just going to collapse. Then if you want to add your time frames, you're going to star them. There's a star. So if you want to remove them from the toolbar there, you can just unstar them. Let's see if there's a word like that. So we're gonna, so personally I use the 4 hour, I use the 1 hour, I use the 15 minutes and the 5 minute time frame. So what you're gonna do is you're going to mark the time frames that you use a lot. So I personally use the 4 hour, the 1 hour, oh yeah, and the daily as well. I almost forgot about that. So I use the daily as well. And if you want to change the charts, you want to use bars, you want to use lines and the rest of them. So personally, we all know how I learned how to trade. I use candlesticks. So there we have it. And definitely when you open an account, you're going to see an indicator here. The indicator is called a volume. So if you want to add indicators, you go to this FX icon here on the toolbar. You're just going to click it. click that. Let me add an indicator real quick. Let me see. Okay, let me add one from list of my favorites. Now this is so if you want to close, if you want to remove an indicator, you're just going to have to click on the X icon, which is remove. If you want to edit, you're going to go there to go to settings and add your values. You change the values 8, 18. So this is the exponential moving average. If you want to search for, let me just move this right quick. So if you want to search for the moving average, the simple moving average is going to go to built-in, then you're going to type moving average. There we have it. So this is the one you're going to go for if you're looking for the simple moving average. So that's it. I'm not going to put it, so that's left to you. So you want to save your chart layout. Personally, I don't do this because when I log in, the chart automatically loads. So if you want to do that, you can save chart layout if you want to. Maybe if you want to switch, if you're switching a device, you can save your chart layout. When you log into another device, it will load up. So now if you want to get rid of these grids, personally I don't like the grids at all. So what I do, sorry I didn't walk you through that. So what I'm going to do is you right click on the chart, you go to settings, you go to, this is the background, you want to change the background. So personally I like my background a little bit darker because I don't like the brightness, it's too bright, so it affects my eyes. So now I want to get rid of these grids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and since we have this color template, which is the same thing with the color template in the background section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same color as my background, use the same color as well, so it's just going to blend with the background. Then the crosshair, this crosshair, as you can see on the charts to the right, as the crosshair. So I can change the color. Personally I like it a bit darker and line. So there we have it. So just going to be like that. Personally I don't use watermarks, so excuse me. Then the symbols, you could change the color. This is the bullish candle, is the bearish, so I like my candles. Let's see, I'm gonna go with this and that. I'm gonna go with this same color. I'm gonna go with this. It's too bright, let's go darker. Alright, so we've actually changed the colors of the candles. So there we have it. That's the charts right there. And these are the tools. You want to use the trend line, here we go. It's the trend line. If you wish to change the color, you can change it here. You want to change the thickness, change how it is, either dashed or dotted. If you want to change it to, if you want it to ray, that's how it rays. You want it to ray in any direction, that's what you use. You want to make it as an arrow, that's what you do. So that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to delete that. So this way you have your tools, you have the trend line. So these tools that I've marked out are tools that I use a lot. So the parallel channel, well, I don't use the parallel channel a lot, so I use the arrow, the vertical line. I use the vertical line when I'm back testing. Use the vertical line, the horizontal ray, the horizontal line, the trend line, and the Fibonacci retracement, I use that as well. The rectangle tool, I use this as well. Well, I do use the ellipse too. Then the text, if you want to type something on, maybe market is going bullish, I just type there, bullish. So I use it as maybe if I'm making notes, if I'm analyzing the market, if I'm analyzing the charts, I just use it as a short notes to explain what happened here, what happened there. So that's it. Then this is the magnet tool. The magnet tool, if you're drawing a trend line and you want to get it at the exact point. So as you can see here, drawing anchors will snap to the closest open high low close. That's OHLC, which is short for open high low and closed. So we're just going to stick to the nearest open high low and close. Just gonna get rid of this. So if you want to draw your trend line to be really accurate, this is what I do. I use magnet mode, I turn on the ray tool, I try to find the points where the market has really respected a lot. So let's see. Okay, as you can see, the market really respected this level a lot. So when it broke, the market moved up. So well, I'm not talking about trend lines today, that'll be in a later video. So that's what the magnet tool is for. Then this one is this particular tool, which is stay in drawing mode. Maybe if you're drawing, let's say you're drawing, you just double click, it follows you wherever you go. So that's it. So when you want to exit the mode, you right click and you turn it off. Then if you want to delete everything on the chart, you're gonna go here. We have this remove drawings, remove all the drawings. If you want to remove indicators, all the indicators on the chart, you go here and remove all the indicators. So that's it. So if you want to show your favorite drawing tools, this is the bottom, that's the icon for it. So it's just gonna pop up right there. You could keep it anywhere on the chart, so it has literally everything that you need. I do use the arrow markup as well. So if you want to join them together, you just drag them. If you want them close, you drag them. You know, try to arrange everything, make your things neat. So that's it. So if you want to remove it, you go click on that. Personally, I don't know what this tool is for. I don't use it that much, but basically it's going to show everything. Maybe if you drew, let's see here, maybe if you drew a rectangle like that and you go over here, it's going to show the rectangle. So you could use this to manage your charts a bit more. So basically I don't really use this. So I believe that's all. Okay, that's not really all. So if you want to add your symbols, let's see here, AD CHF, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Now we have a lot of brokers offering Australian dollar, Swiss franc. We have the FXCM, Rwanda, Forex.com, ICE, Saxo, and Currency.com, but personally I use Forex.com a lot. Sorry, FXCM. I use FXCM a lot. And if you want to arrange your charts, like your watch list, if you want to arrange your watch list in alphabetical order, what you're going to do is you're going to go click on this symbol, click on this, and your chart is going to automatically, why do I keep calling chart? Your watch list is going to automatically arrange itself in alphabetical order. So that's what I use. Then this publish button is if you want to share your idea with the trade community, which is like I showed earlier in the video, the those charts you saw, those ideas you saw, those analysis you saw of people from different traders. Then if you want to take a snapshot, if you want to take a screenshot of your analysis after you're done, you can use this. Personally, I don't use that. Rather, I use light shot. Yeah, I use light shot. So I just press the print screen button, and yeah, just press this print screen button, and there we have it. So light shot is easier. It gives me crisp pictures, crisp images. So that's it. So you want to save it, you save it as an image, however you want to save it. So that's it for the tutorial. So if you liked the video, if the video has been helpful, just give it a thumbs up and just subscribe to the channel. It will be really helpful. And I believe more videos will be coming up later. I'll be talking about different topics: trend lines, support and resistance. Going to talk about the best way to trade support and resistance and other things. So just subscribe. Just subscribe, right? Subscribe. So thank you for watching.